Hi everyone, thank you for joining us today. I'm Tutor Janelle. Welcome to PSLE Mathematics Hub. Have you ever wondered how do students solve some of the 4-5 marks questions that happen to appear in the SA2 for P5 top school paper and also in the PSLE 4 and 5 marks question? How do they solve them in 5 minutes or under 5 minutes? And let us just go through another challenging questions today. I hope this will help you all to have a new insight on how to solve mathematics questions that are really difficult. Let us move into the question. Thank you. Today we are going to go through a question that is part of the gap and difference. I hope this video will help you. Let's follow. The question actually say that there's a pharmacy that paid $2,363 for some bottles of vitamins and fish oil. He bought 4 times as many bottles of fish oil as vitamins. So at this part, we actually noticed that we were given the total amount being spent on both the vitamin and the fish oil. And the next thing we notice is that he bought 4 times as many bottles of fish oil as vitamin. And then they also say that the price of the fish oil costs $19 less than each bottle of vitamins, meaning the total cost of them is actually different. And also the number of bottles purchased for each item is also different. All these differences resulted in the pharmacy to spend $901 more on the fish oil than on the vitamins. So for a question like this, whereby we have 2 differences highlighted in yellow, and we know the total highlighted in blue, and we also know that the differences being spent, the different amount being spent on the fish oil and the vitamin is 901. First step that we will need to find is to find the individual price of the different item. So the total amount of money spent on vitamin is what I will find first, followed by the total dollars spent on the fish oil. So let's start with the vitamin. The total cost is 2363, and then we minus away the price difference spent on these 2 items. We divide by 2, we'll get the cheaper item, which is the vitamin in this case. So we have this one, we minus 901, and we divide by 2. Our answer we'll get here is 731. So how do we find the price of the fish oil? Since they say that he spent more money on the fish oil, means I will take 731 plus 901. So the answer I will get here, I will get 1632. So this is the price spent on each of the item. And then now we have to look at the yellow highlighted part to get rid of one of the differences, because we actually have 2 differences that result in this difference in the amount being spent on the fish oil to be more than the amount of vitamins. So what we have to do is, let's go and find if this pharmacy actually buy the same number of bottles of fish oil as the vitamin, how much he will have to pay. So if the fish oil is equals to the same, so let's say 1 unit of vitamin, the total cost is equals to 731 as found above. Now we have to find 1 unit of fish oil. The total cost will be 1632 divided by 4. What we have here will be 408. So this will be the 1 unit difference. So if we actually get the total 1 unit for the vitamin and we find the 1 unit of the fish oil already, now we have to see, we actually done this part, we also done with this part. So there's only one part left, that is the difference. So if we can find that 1 unit, the 1 unit difference between the fish oil and vitamin is actually equals to which is also, we call this as the big difference. So what we get here is 731 minus 408. So what we have here is 323. And this 323 is caused by the small gap, which is the per bottle difference. which is equals to $19. So if we take this total difference divide by each other, we will actually have 323 divided by 19. It gives us the number of bottle per 1 unit. We will get 17 bottles per 1 unit. So meaning we can now find how much is spent, how much is the number of vitamins purchased, and how many of the fish oil is being purchased as well. So we will have, for vitamin is only 1 unit, right? So we actually can find our answer already. So the total price spent on the vitamins is this one, and then it's also 1 unit. Since 1 unit equals to 17 bottles, it means that 17 bottles equals to 731. If they want to find 1 bottle of the vitamin, it will be 731 divided by 17. So the price of each bottle will be $43. I hope that this video is useful for you, and I hope that you all learn a new method. So what we've been doing here is that the first thing we did is to get rid of the first difference, which is the total here. We actually try to make them into 1 unit so that the number of fish oil and number of vitamin purchased is equals to the same. And then after that, we try to find a big difference, which is caused by the price difference of the fish oil and the bottle. So the total difference that we managed to find here is equals to 323, and this is caused by the small difference, which is the $19 per bottle. So if we take the total difference divide by the small difference, we actually get 17 bottles per unit. And then after that, what we have here is we can find that this 1 unit is equals to 17 bottles, which is also equals to 731. And then we can find what the question actually want, which in this case they want to find each bottle of vitamin costs how much. So 1 bottle of vitamin costs $43. We hope that you have learned this question well. Thank you for joining us for the full video today. If you do not wish to miss out on our next upcoming mathematics video, please click on the bottom button to subscribe to our channel and click on to the notification button next to it. We hope that you have learned a brand new kind of methods to actually solve your next 4 and 5 marks question that could be coming on your next exam. If you want to learn more of such techniques, please follow us on Facebook as well. Our Facebook page is PSLE Mathematics Hub. You can actually upload questions that you might need us to help you as well. We welcome you to upload questions. We will pick 3 or 5 questions per week to go through on YouTube here. We have upcoming free webinars and free tutorials as well. Please follow us on PSLE Mathematics Hub. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.